Say that again. Tell the people.
So this is like a test for most of the African tribes. If you're like taken to your in-laws as a bride, you're asked to cook ugali for like 10 or even 20 people. If you can't make it nice and smooth, you're not ready to be a wife.
You're not ready?
Because they make you make ugali like for 20 people. 5 people for me is enough because I have to have the muscle.
You have to have the what?
The muscle to mix it.
You want me to start mixing?
I'm usually not this messy, but I think the water was too much on the pot.
What would you get burnt? You okay? Look at that. She said when it's no longer sticking to the wooden spoon, that's how you know it's ready. More or less.
See?
Yeah. Okay.
A funny story, when we were younger, we used to throw it on the wall. If it sticks on the wall, then you still have to cook it. If it falls down, then it's ready.
Okay.
So that was a joke we played as kids.
I'm sorry. Go ahead, babe.
How is it tasting?
Pretty good. The veggies, well, they're the ones that are going to give it all the flavor, right?
The veggies, the flavoring part, but be careful. Everything is hot. Get enough veggie. That one tastes good.
Yeah.
It tastes good with enough veggie. Scoop us enough veggie. We eat food hot.